Hello guys. Which river is the Nagarjuna Sagar dam built on? Options: A. Godavari River, B. Krishna River, C. Penna River, D. Sabari River. And correct answer is Krishna River. And next question: what is the official language of Andhra Pradesh? Options: A. Hindi, B. Telugu, C. Tamil, D. Kannada. And correct answer is Telugu. And next question: which district is the largest by area in Andhra Pradesh? Options: A. Kurnool, B. Kadapa, C. Anantapur, D. Nellore. And correct answer is Anantapur. And next question: which protected site in Andhra Pradesh is known for its population of the Great Indian Bustard? Options: A. Nagarjuna Sagar Srisailam Tiger Reserve, B. Papikonda Wildlife Sanctuary, C. Rollapadu Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Sri Venkateswara National. And correct answer is Rollapadu Wildlife Sanctuary. And next question: in terms of coastline length among Indian states, what is Andhra Pradesh rank? Options: A. First, B. Second, C. Third, D. Fourth. And correct answer is second. And next question: which city is the largest in Andhra Pradesh by area? Options: A. Visakhapatnam, B. Vijayawada, C. Hyderabad, D. Guntur. And correct answer is Visakhapatnam. And next question: which river is the Srisailam Dam construction on? Options: A. Godavari River, B. Krishna River, C. Penna River, D. Tungabhadra River. And correct answer is Krishna River. And next question: which wildlife sanctuary in Andhra Pradesh is famous for its population of the Indian pangolin? Options: A. Sri Lanka Malleswara Wildlife Sanctuary, B. Kambalakonda Wildlife Sanctuary, C. Papikonda Wildlife Sanctuary, D. Gundla Brahmeswaram Wildlife Sanctuary. And correct answer is Sri Lanka Malleswara Wildlife Sanctuary. And next question: which district in Andhra Pradesh is known as the rice bowl of India? Options: A. Krishna, B. East Godavari, C. West Godavari, D. Guntur. And correct answer is Guntur.